What's a follower tab? Short answer: it's a tile tab that follows the actions from the original tab right next to it, meaning that any links you click in the original tab will automatically open in the follower tab, allowing you to quickly explore additional content without losing your focus. Wanna see how that works? Let me show you some examples. Let's say you're online shopping and you're looking at some products. There are multiple options available and you'd like to check them out before making the purchase. The follower tab will let you review them faster than ever before. All you need to do is right-click on any of the links, choose Open Link in from the menu, and click Open Link as Tiled Follower tab. It will open the link in a split-screen view as a tiled tab on the right. You only need to do this once, as from now on, every link you click in the original tab will automatically open in the follower tab. You can adjust the tile size to your liking to check out the product details. And once you're done, you simply click on the next item from the list. Check it out, and on to the next one, until you find the right one. Simple as that. Here is another example. Let's say you're searching for something, either using a search engine or on some website, and you have a list of search results you'd like to go through. The follower tab will allow you to check them each one by one in the most efficient way, saving you the extra clicks of opening new tabs or going back and forth. Another use case: websites where it's convenient to keep one page inside while exploring the linked resources, like a documentation with a table of contents. So, in some cases, the follower tab will host the main content, while the original tab will serve as a point of reference. But there might as well be cases where it will be the other way around, like in this example. You can use the follower tab to quickly check out some references without losing the main content from sight. It's pretty convenient. Oh, and here is a bonus tip. Whenever you wish to open something in the original tab, like the next page of search results, you simply right-click on that link and select Open Link in this tab. It will let you switch the content of that page while maintaining the link to the follower tab, so that you can keep on exploring. And that's how you use the follower tab feature. Follow us for more browser tips.